Find forget key features and / or reviews before select Karpevta Portable Infrared Spa, 39-inch height, portable sauna tent infrared sauna with folding chair. Next, we are introduce some reasons for question, why you choose Karpevta Portable Infrared Spa. Insulation structure. The portable sauna is made of high-density polyethylene materials and waterproof canvas. It is have excellent thermal insulation function to prevent steam penetration, heat loss. Principle. The home spa adopt infrared principle is helpful to improve metabolic capacity, eliminate toxins and garbage in the body, and maintain health. Adjustable temperature and power. You can remote set adjust time and temperature according to your need in the portable sauna. Accessory. Portable infrared sauna with folding chair and bottom sweat pad. It can reduce fatigue and relax body, at same time. The bottom pad can heating bring comfortable for your body. Widely used. Our portable sauna spa help to burning calories, lose weight, anti-aging, relieve stiffness and joint pain, improve skin tone. Increase blood circulation and sweat production, removes harmful toxins from your body. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.